Located 3.3 miles east of Canton, Canton Lake is a 230-acre freshwater reservoir owned and operated by the City of Canton. It has 7.1 miles of shoreline and is supervised through assistance from the Illinois Department of Conservation. The area offers a variety of amenities, including fishing, boating, and seasonal camping. Canton Lake is known for its trophy-sized largemouth bass and its abundant channel catfish. The lake's major fish species are largemouth bass, crappie, bluegill, yellow bass, channel catfish, carp, and gizzard shad. Canton Lake is listed in the Illinois DNR Muskie stocking program and is a little-known hotspot for some giants. Rules on camping, fishing, and boating are available at Canton City Hall or online at cantonillinois.org/Canton Lake. Hiking trails have recently been added, providing scenic vistas, and the Lakeview observation deck is easily accessible for the less adventurous. The campground is open every year from April 15th through October 15th. The campground offers 60 RV sites and 15 primitive sites. All sites have water and electrical hookup, except a small area of 5 primitive sites. Any person at the site can use the dumping station for waste disposal. The campground has a shower house, first aid station, vending machines, and a playground. Canton Lake offers 12 pontoon boat slips for rent. They can be rented seasonally, monthly, weekly, or daily, and are offered on a first-come, first-served basis. Boat licenses and kayak stickers are required for use of the equipment on Canton Lake. One-day boat licenses and stickers can be purchased from the campground host at the campground. Call ahead to ensure that the host is there. Canton Lake has an 85 horsepower limit. All state fishing regulations apply, and the lake is regulated and patrolled by the Illinois Department of Natural Resources. Fishing regulations can be found in the Illinois DNR's Annual Fishing Regulation Digest. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.